Starting 22-hour Benchrest in 2025 can feel like stepping into the unknown. You spend lots of money and you try different setups and you still struggle to see results. You know what? I've been there and, sometimes still am. But if I could go back and start all over again, I would do things completely differently. Choosing the right rifle, testing ammunition smarter, and avoiding costly mistakes most beginners make. And that's what I'm here to share with you today. So no matter where you're starting from, this video will help you build confidence, save money, and improve your accuracy faster than you think. Stick around because in step number 5, it is certainly something that I see beginners do not take into account when learning to shoot. Step 1, choose the right rifle. First things first, pick the rifle that aligns with your goals and skills level while keeping things simple. Starting with the right firearm is the key to building your confidence and achieving consistent results without unnecessary complications. If I was starting today, I'd strongly consider the CZ457 or the Sako P94S. The CZ457 really stands out for its excellent accuracy and smooth action and its modularity. Its precision engineering makes it a favorite among the beginners and experienced shooters. Plus, its ability to adapt with upgrades and aftermarket stocks and barrels ensures it grows with you as your skills advance. The Sako P94S, on the other hand, is a testament to a classic craftsmanship and precision. Known for its exceptional build quality and reliability, the rifle is really a fantastic choice for those seeking the balance between performance and longevity. With its robust design and finely tuned accuracy, the P94S can handle the rigors of both competitive shooting and the casual range days. And you know what? I love my Sako P94S. Both options provide outstanding performance for a variety of shooting styles, ensuring that you don't outgrow your rifle too quickly. So don't overlook the used market as well. Many competitive shooters upgrade their setups over time, meaning that you can find fantastic deals on well-maintained rifles. Look for models known with the history and check for any signs of excessive wear, particularly around the action and barrel. A solid second-hand rifle could save you a lot of money while delivering that top-tier performance. Key questions to ask yourself. Am I comfortable with this rifle's weight and ergonomics for extended use? Does this rifle offer upgradability or features that I might need in the future? Remember, the perfect rifle for someone else might not be the perfect one for you. You know what? Take your time, handle a few options at your local gun store or at the range before making your decision. I encourage you to also ask the guys at the range and actually try their rifles, because a lot of people at the range are more than happy to let you have a few shots from their rifle. Step 2 is master ammo testing. One of the most common pitfalls for beginner shooters is underestimating the role of ammunition plays in accuracy. When it comes to 22-hour rifles, not all ammo performs equally, even in identical models. Every rifle has its unique preference, which can drastically impact your shooting results. Start with popular brands. Begin your testing journey with well-known, high-quality brands. However, don't stop at just one brand or type. Explore different lots of the exact same ammunition, as a subtle manufacturing differences can actually really influence performance of that ammunition. Set up controlled testing sessions where you can focus on consistency. Use the same shooting position, equipment, and environment conditions for every single test. Shoot groups of roughly 5 to 10 rounds with each type of ammo and repeat multiple times to ensure you have reliable data. Track your results. To truly master ammunition testing, detailed record keeping is an essential. Create a simple chart or spreadsheet to note group sizes. Measure and record the spread of your shots. Also, write down environmental conditions, including things like the wind and temperature and also humidity. Lot numbers, these are crucial for identifying specific batches of ammunition. Over time, this information will reveal clear patterns, helping you to identify the ammunition that consistently produces the tightest groups in your rifle. The key to success, once you find the perfect ammunition for your rifle, stock up on that lot number. Having reliable supply of that proven ammunition can give you a competitive edge and eliminate one variable in your shooting performance. When it comes to achieving consistent and accurate results, your setup is just as important as your shooting technique. So you may be wondering, How can you get it right? The first thing is invest in some solid equipment. So like my Seb AR250 provides exceptional stability and minimizes that unwanted movement during the shot. A properly filled rear bag that supports the stock is crucial. The bag should cradle the rifle snugly without, sagging and creating uneven support. Consistency is the key. So always position your rifle exactly the same way every single shot. This reduces the variability and ensures every single shot is as consistent as possible. So avoiding common mistakes. So don't rest the barrel directly on the front rest. This can disrupt your rifle's natural harmonic and throw off your accuracy. Make sure the stock stop is positioned correctly. It should guide your forend into a consistent position and, not act as a rest itself. Ensure proper contact. So the rifle's forend should sit securely in the front bag without unnecessary contact points that actually could create friction or even interfere with the recoil movement. So fine tune for smooth recoil. So use tricks like applying a little bit of baby powder to reduce friction and to allow your rifle to recoil naturally. This can significantly enhance your shooting stability and consistency. By perfecting your equipment setup, you're setting yourself up for success. Wind reading isn't just a skill. It really is a game changer in Benchrest shooting. You know what? When I first started, I truly underestimated how much the wind could impact accuracy. I really remember one of my early competitions. It was a breezy day, and I thought I had everything dialed in. Shot, put the shot in and veered straight off to the left, feeling, very, very frustrated and confused. That experience really taught me a valuable lesson. And you know what? The wind doesn't play fair. It doesn't wait for you to figure it out. Practice in all shooting conditions. So shooting in calm days, is great for building confidence. But windy days are where the real learning happens. Each gust and swirl teaches you how to adapt and refine your technique. The key is not avoiding those sort of challenging conditions, but really embracing them. Mastering their sensory cues as well. So the best wind readers don't rely on their equipment. They also use every single tool available. They feel the breeze on their skin, watch for the movement of leaves and the grass, and notice how the dust kicks up after bullet impacts. One of the most overlooked but powerful cues is the mirage. So also pay attention to how it bends and flows. It really is like a visual map of how the wind behaves. So Benchrest shooting is a precision sport that has multiple disciplines within it, and each is governed by a specific set of rules. Each of these disciplines may have unique rules depending on the governing bodies. Organizations such as the American Rimfire Association or the International Benchrest Shooters or National Benchrest Shooters Association, and even in Australia, Sporting Shooting Association of Australia. So, you know what? It is always important to remember that every single governing body could have specific rules about what you can and cannot do during competitions. Such things as caliber restrictions, customizations, and weight limits. Optics, allowed magnification levels and scope types and rests, front and rear rests, and specific what you can and can't have in your bags. Studying the rules is one thing, but putting them into practice, what makes you a competitive shooter. Here's some simple tips. So download the rule books and make sure you obtain the latest from the governing body's website. You know what? Use official targets as well. So practice on those targets that the match has for your competition and simulate those conditions. So practice under the same constraints and try the best as environmental conditions as well you'll face in the match. Attend matches as well. So by watching experienced shooters and ask questions, engage with your fellow shooters and your match officials to clarify if you have any rules that you're uncertain about. Mastering Benchrest shooting is really having a great understanding of how it works and its success in the sport. By understanding disciplines and adhering to the equipment regulations and practicing your scoring and your other techniques, you'll be ready to compete with confidence. Now, it really is time to hit the range and put your knowledge into action. Good luck with your shooting, and hopefully you get that gold medal. So what's holding you back from starting Benchrest shooting? Let me know in the comments. And if you're already shooting, share your beginner tips. You know what? I'd love to hear them. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. So of course, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.